Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. In this video, I will be introducing you to the most famous 18 gods, deities or orishas by their names and powers in Yoruba religion or Ifa religion, as you may wish to call it. Before I deep dive into it, I want you to understand this. In the history of mankind, our ancestors introduced the concept of God to us until civilization began to modify this concept for us. If this concept of God had worked for our ancestors to have led us to where we are today, do we now have to reject what is called the gods of our land? Every land has its own orishas. We Africans have our own orishas. If you stick to your own orishas, I can assure you that you are going to have a meaningful life, free from tribulations. Get this straight. The word gods, which you can equally call orishas or deities, is different from the word God with the capital letter G. Our God is Olodumare, the supreme one in Yoruba religion, and he is one. Why gods, as the Western world call it, are orishas in Yoruba religion. The concept of religion are the same all over the world. Yoruba religion believers believe that you need an intermediary to get your prayers to God. And that is why there are many orishas or gods or deities who are specialists in what they are meant for. They came to this earth during our ancestors' time in human form and performed wonders. This is exactly why Yoruba traditional believers still trust them up to today as intermediaries to Olodumare. Keep watching this video while I introduce the 18 most famous deities among plenty of them and their power, and tell you what they specialize in accordingly in Yoruba religion. 1. Oshumare. Oshumare is the Yoruba orisha of the rainbow, serpents, cycles, and transformation. Most importantly, Oshumare means rainbow in the Yoruba language from West Africa, Nigeria. 2. Osanyi. Osanyi is the Yoruba deity of healing, known with the knowledge of all kinds of herbs, leaves, and roots for medicinal purposes. 3. Olokun. Aje Olokun, as some like to call it, is an orisha of wealth in the Yoruba religion. Olokun is the ruler of all bodies of water and other water deities. Olokun is highly praised for ability to give great wealth, health, and prosperity. 4. Ibeji. This is an Orisha Ibeji, Ibeji is the name of an Orisha representing a pair of twins in the Yoruba religion of the Yoruba people. 5. Aganju. Aganju is the god of volcanoes, the wilderness, and the deserts. It is believed that Aganju is essential for growth and cultivation of civilizations. He is strongly associated with Shango. 6. Erinle. Erinle means the land elephant. In the Yoruba religion, Erinle was a great hunter who became an Orisha. He is a warrior, healer, and a divine physician. 7. Yemoja. Yemoja is a water Orisha in the Yoruba religion who is motherly, protective, and cares deeply for her children. Yemoja is able to cure infertility in women. Cowrie shells represent our wealth. Yemoja is calm-tempered, but when angered, she can be destructive. Her anger shows when you see a case of flood. Yemoja is often pictured as a mermaid. In Yoruba religion, Yemoja is a combination of two words, Yeye, which means mother, then Eja, which means fish. Now to the next one, number 8, Shango. Shango is a very powerful Orisha who was a royal ancestor of Alaafin of the Oyo Kingdom in Yoruba land. He was the third Alaafin. Shango is well known for his powerful axe. He is Orisha of thunder and lightning. 9. Obatala. In Yoruba religion, Obatala is believed to be the creator of human bodies, as Olodumare breathes life to the human bodies. Obatala is the father of all Orishas. He was authorized by Olodumare to create land upon the water beneath the sky. Obatala is Olodumare's representative on earth and the shaper of human beings. Olodumare permitted Obatala to descend from the heavens, create land over the waters, and make human bodies from mud and clay. 10. Obaluaye, also known as Baba Luaye or Shokono, is the Orisha of healing and protector of health in order to avoid Iku, who is the Orisha of death. Obaluaye provides healing for those who are close to death. 11. Oshun. Oshun is commonly called the river Orisha in the Yoruba religion. Orisha of water, purity, fertility, beauty, and love. She is one of the most popular and venerated Orisha in Yoruba religion. She is the patron saint of the Osun River in Osun State, Nigeria, as this river bears her name. 12. Oshoshi. Oshoshi is an Orisha associated with the hunt, forest, animals, wealth, and meals because he provides food. 13. Ogun. Ogunlakaye Oshimole is the god of war, iron, and metals. 14. Eshu. Eshulalu Ogirioko is the deity in charge of the law enforcement and orderliness. Eshu is not Satan or devil being called by the Yoruba Abramist religion. 15. Oya. Oya goddess is an Orisha of winds, lightning, and storms. 16. Oko, popularly called Orisha Oko, is a strong hunter and farming deity. He is associated with the annual new harvest of the white African yam. 17. Orunmila. In Yoruba religion, Orunmila, also known as Orunla or Orula in Nigeria and Latin America, is an Orisha of wisdom, knowledge, and divination. And lastly, number 18, Olodumare. Olodumare. It is not possible to mention the names of Orishas without mentioning the grand god, which is Olodumare, who is the creator of all Orishas. Olodumare is the supreme creator in Yoruba religion. He is the omnipotent and he is the source of everything. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.